Yo, what's happening, peeps? Jay Cobb here, and for those that don't know who I am, my name is Jermaine Cobb, online and network marketer. And in this video, guys, I'm going to share with you the power of using the tool Builderall, guys. I've been using Builderall now for about a year, and guys, let me tell you, man, like the platform just keeps getting better. All right, has an amazing affiliate program which we'll talk about later. But I just want to share with you guys some of the tools, some of the power behind this actual this platform. Right now, there will be a link below, guys, that I will have my affiliate link in the comments below. And the thing is, once you click that link, you will be part of my team. All right, now the thing is this: when you do decide to use this platform, guys, I'm going to give you a 7-day trial. And on top of that, guys, I will be notified once you actually start your account. Then I'm going to add you to a private Facebook group where I go over the tool in depth, show you how to use some of the things, show you how to market better, just really how to be an overall better marketer by using this platform. All right, so the thing is this, guys, I'm going to go ahead and dive into my computer here, and I'll really just share with you guys some of the things that I've done, and some of the things I can help you guys to do if you decide to partner with me. All right, so once again, the link is below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that right now. Go ahead and subscribe, turn on your notifications, and drop me a comment if this video helps you guys out. All right, so I see you guys on the inside. All right, later. Yo, what's up, guys? So welcome to my computer. All right, so let me go ahead and log in real quick. All right, so what I'm about to share with you guys is a little bit of the Builderall platform. All right, so like I just stated, guys, I've been using this platform for about a year. Sorry for the delay, I am recording, but while that's doing that, guys, I just want to keep it simple. All right, I want to share with you guys basically some of the things that I'm doing with the Builderall platform. And I also want to share with you guys how you can make money from promoting Builderall or using the services to help other people, right? So not just, how can I say, not just from people using this platform, but you can actually do some pretty cool things for people that don't even use the platform and put some serious dough in your pocket. All right, so the thing is this, guys, I'm gonna keep this really, really simple. Like I said before, my link will be in the description. Once you sign up, you get a 7-day trial, get to dabble around, play with it a little bit. I will connect with you. I'm going to go ahead and add you to my Rich Entrepreneurs Facebook group. All right. And basically what I do, we just specifically talk around Builderall. You kind of got that one-on-one time with me. I'll be there to answer your questions. If I can't answer, it's someone in the group that will be able to assist you. Really great community, guys. I really see some really big things for this community. We look to do meetups and all kind of cool things, So, but besides all that, guys, I want to go ahead and dive into the content. And like I said, be sure to subscribe to this channel. Be sure to also leave your comments. All right. And hey, I don't know what platform you're using, but maybe by the end of this video, you're going to be like, you know what? I need to get this thing a shot. All right. Especially for the price, guys, because I don't know how long the price is going to be at this price. But hey, you need to dive in. All right. So let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay. So first thing, guys, once you log in, this is what your back office is going to look like. Okay. The first thing I just want to, just keep it simple. And once you go to the drag and drop pixel perfect, you're going to click new website. All right, so here is where you have a lot of templates. Look, this is insane. These prefab template, guys, are amazing and they convert like crazy, right? The thing is this, they're beautiful websites, okay? And what I'm finding out is almost weekly they're steady adding different categories to help you better serve your audience. All right, and you remember I told you guys, whether you're using this platform or whether you are promoting this platform to others, you can still make money even if they don't even use the platform. And I'm just going to give you an example. I'm going to go down to this health and beauty tab right here. And as you can see, you see like, chiropractors and things like that. Look, guys, imagine going to your local dentist office, right? And let's say you are building websites, building capture pages, right? Whatever you're doing. The thing is this: yes, a lot of these places don't even have websites. They don't even have converting capture page. They don't have ways to get people into their actual email list, right? But when you have beautiful funnels like this, look how responsive this thing is, guys. This is the live site. And everything you can edit. Like you can edit the pictures, you can edit these timers, you can do so many things. But if this is for a dentist, imagine doing a one-on-one with the owner of a dentist or some sort, and just sharing this. Say, hey, I can set this up for you, right? The thing is, it's plug and play. You put the information in, have buttons linked to certain offers or coupons, whatever the case may be, and it could be something, guys, that you can literally do on the side, right? And here's what's so cool. Once you set this up, I know you may be wondering, like, okay, well, how do I, manage this, whatever. You can actually charge a residual fee to manage the site, okay? If not, you could just build the site and you can sell it at a one-time offer, right? Only thing you have to do is once you make the site, it'll come in here where your sites are made. You want to click transfer. Once you click transfer, put that client's email in and it's going to send it to them. Of course, they would have to have a Builderall account, which I think the smallest one is like, just to have an account is like 29 bucks. But hey, 29 bucks, having a beautiful website. If they want you to manage it, right, you can set up a fee to manage it, whatever, make changes, whatever the case may be. So it can really become something really lucrative. And that's just on the website building side for other clients. As well, it doesn't matter if you're an affiliate marketer, online marketer, network marketer, realtor. It doesn't matter what you are. You can use this platform. All right. Here's something else that they just added. This mobile first drag and drop. And basically what it is, guys, you know how most people have their phone in their hand right now, right? So if you're building a website and you know that this is going to be something that's more so catered to people on their mobile devices, you don't have to try to worry about building a website that's congruent or what's the word I'm looking for? That's responsive and sets up and looks good on the actual mobile device. All right, you can just simply go here and click, set up a basic template. Just view this, and it's already going to come up mobile ready, right? So once you do this, guy, this site here, once you condense this site down, it's going to come up mobile ready, right? That's the idea, man. And I promise you guys, like, everything you see going on here will be working exactly like this on the actual mobile devices. All right. So moving on, Mailing Boss. All right, Mailing Boss, guys, is just their mailing services. I personally use Aweber, but I also have some leads and things inside of Mailing Boss to test it out. The email marketing system is phenomenal, guys. I like it. It works well. No complaints. But I was using Aweber before I found this software. So a lot of times I take leads from here and add it to my Aweber. But hey, it's all integrated. I can pay 20 bucks per month to use my Aweber, but it's something that I had already been invested in, so I just kept it, right? Also, if you are a app designer, like if you want someone that wants to create an app, let's say you're a personal trainer and you want to create an app around meal plans and showing people how to track their goals, whatever the case may be, you don't have to hire a developer or anything like that, right? You don't have to hire. You can do it yourself, guys. And even if you do, imagine hiring someone and just teaching them how to create apps with this platform. Once again, you can scale that out, right? It's so many things. You have auto posters. You have the script generator, which is awesome if you're running ads and things like that. eLearner, guys. I like eLearner. It's a pretty cool thing where it allows you to put your own courses in here and you can promote your courses to the Builderall community. So you can make money doing that, right? So if you have a course, you can basically put it in here and promote it to the actual community, guys. Like, it's so many things. Also, I talked about the affiliate, program, guys. It has an amazing affiliate program, and that's kind of the idea, guys. But it lets you know basically the potential, right? So I'm just going to give you just some small numbers, right? But let's say within a year's time, all right? We're just talking about within a year's time. We're going to say on a small scale. Let's say over the course of 1 year, you was able to do 25 of these sales, right? 25 of these sales, upfront money, you little over $1,200, and as you can see, that's already a monthly income of $374, guys, right? But they have this tier 2, right? So the idea is, how many of those people, you know, 25 people is not going to promote this, but let's say hypothetically, right? Let's say hypothetically 5 people were to, you know, help you, right? And let's say those 5 people were to sell, let's say, you know, I don't know, what, 2 a piece, maybe, right? Let's say they was able to sell 2 a piece, right? So that's about 10, give and take. You know what I mean? Somewhere up around up there. But let's say you was able to do this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Now you see the 1,200 is about the same, but what has went up is your residual. You're making over $1,000 a month, guys, residually, from something that I know a lot of people are going to be using in the near future, because there are a lot of, you know, tools out there, click funnels and things like that, that you can build capture pages and funnels and things like that. But for the price, guys, this thing right now at the time of this recording is only $49 per month. Seriously. Now this is something that I was able to make a couple of $100 off this automated webinar, right? And it's just it's a webinar platform. As you can see, how to find the perfect leads without paid ads. I ran this webinar, guys. I ran it twice already, and the only thing I have to do is go in and change the date when I want this webinar to start, right? Change the date, go in, change some things on my emails, and I promote it, right? And it's already done. So imagine creating this, leveraging this, running a webinar, and you're out on the beach somewhere, right? So the idea, guys, is endless possibilities when it comes to this actual platform. And I would love to partner up with you guys. Like I said, there will be a link below. And the thing is this, guys, understand that, you know, when it comes to tools and things like that, you want to save the most money, right? But you want to get good tools, and you want to find things that not only have good service, but they have a good affiliate program, and you can leverage making money, you know, multiple ways from that program. And I'm gonna tell you, Builderall is it, guys. You know, it's simple, it's user friendly, it's really inexpensive, and like I said, guys, I'll be here step by step to help you guys along the way and show you, you know, exactly what I'm doing, you know, how I'm promoting this, and some pretty cool things, guys. So other than that, man, I appreciate you guys watching, and be sure to, you know, like this video, share this video, and I will see you guys on the next video. All right, it's your boy J Cobb. Be humble, be consistent, be you. Hey guys, thanks for watching. For more tips and trainings just like this, head over to JermaineCobbins.com. Don't forget to download your free resource in the description. Also, leave a comment. I would love to hear your feedback. Like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe.